You've probably made your own assignments in Classkick, but did you know we have an assignment library full of hundreds of assignments that are ready to go? To access the assignment library, click the green plus button up here in the corner and click Browse Assignment Library. The assignment library has assignments created by real teachers and by our Classkick staff who are former teachers that are available for anyone to download completely free. It's really easy to navigate. You can narrow down your search by subjects, by grade level, or you can just search for a keyword. If you're looking for something that has to do with graphing, you can type in graph and see all of the assignments that we have that use that keyword. Once you've picked an assignment, you can check it out and preview the entire assignment first before you decide to copy it into your library. This one looks like one that I want to use, so I'm going to click Copy Assignment. This copies the assignment into your library where now you can make any changes that you like to the assignment. So you can rearrange pages, you can delete pages, add pages, or edit it however you want. It belongs to you now. If you'd like to contribute some assignments of your own to our assignment library, please click the link below to submit them.